Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that often sparks debate in the tech world: coding versus programming. Are they the same, or is there a difference? If you've ever wondered, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Let's start with coding. At its core, coding is the process of translating human ideas into a language that machines can understand. Think of it like writing instructions for a computer using languages like Python, Java, or C++. Coders write lines of code that tell a computer what to do, whether it's solving a math problem, displaying an image, or even running a complex application. It's like learning a new language, but instead of speaking it, you write it and the computer listens. Now, let's talk about programming. While coding is a part of programming, programming encompasses much more. Programming is the entire process of creating a software application or system. This includes planning, designing, testing, and maintaining the code. Programmers think about the bigger picture: how different parts of the code will interact, what algorithms to use, how to manage resources, and how to solve problems efficiently. In other words, coding is the tool, and programming is the craft. So what sets coding and programming apart? Coding is more about writing the code itself, while programming involves a broader range of tasks. Coders may focus on getting individual tasks done, like writing a function or fixing a bug. Programmers, on the other hand, think about how that code fits into the larger project. They also consider things like project requirements, user experience, and software architecture. Understanding the distinction is crucial for anyone looking to enter the tech field. If you enjoy solving puzzles and writing code, you might thrive as a coder. But if you're more interested in creating entire systems, managing projects, and tackling complex challenges, programming might be your calling. The line between the two can be blurry, and many professionals do both, but recognizing the difference can help you find your path. In summary, coding is the language of the digital world, while programming is the art of bringing that language to life in the form of functional software. Both are essential, and both offer exciting career opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep coding.